In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send stickers on WhatsApp Web. Let's begin by getting to the correct page. Open your preferred browser and search for WhatsApp Web, or type the official address directly into the address bar. You'll know you're in the right place when the page displays a large QR code. If something looks off, close the tab and try again to make sure you're on the official site. Next, connect your WhatsApp account by scanning that QR code with your phone. On your phone, open the WhatsApp app and use the built-in QR scanner from the Linked Devices option to scan the code on your computer screen. If your browser asks for camera permission during this process, allow it so your phone can scan properly. Keep your phone nearby and connected to the internet. WhatsApp Web mirrors your phone and works best when the mobile app stays online. Once you're logged in, choose where you'd like to send a sticker. Open any individual conversation or group chat from the sidebar. If you don't see the chat you need, use the search bar at the top to quickly find a contact or group. To access stickers, start by clicking the emoji icon, the little smiley face, located to the left of the message field at the bottom of your chat. This opens a panel with emojis, GIFs, and stickers. Inside that panel, switch to the sticker section by clicking the stickers icon. It looks like a small square with a folded corner. This tab typically sits alongside the emoji and GIF tabs. When you click it, you'll see your sticker library, including any packs you've added and your most recently used stickers. Now, pick the sticker you want to send. Simply click once on a sticker, and it will send instantly to the chat. No need to press enter. If you're sending stickers in a busy group, take a quick glance at the chat to ensure your sticker fits the tone of the conversation. If your sticker library looks empty, give it a moment to load, or refresh the page after confirming your phone's connection is stable. Finally, to keep your favorite stickers handy, save them as favorites. When you receive a sticker you like in any chat, right-click on that sticker and choose Add to Favorites. It will be stored in your Favorites section within the Sticker tab, so you can find it quickly the next time you need it. That's it. Open WhatsApp Web, link your phone, navigate to a chat, open the emoji panel, switch to stickers, click to send, and save the ones you love for quick access.